Today, we, the students of PVGS Vidyabavan Secondary School, Nehru, are here to present a skit on the topic The World of Viruses.
Hello everyone, my name is Anaga. Today I am here to present the role of Alka.
Hello everyone, I am Soham and today I am going to play the role of Shirish.
Hello everyone, I am Viraj. I am playing the role of Ganesh.
Hello everyone, I am Neha and I am going to play the role of Meena.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Faraj and I am here to play the role of Manoj sir.
Hello everyone, I am Aya and I am going to play the role of Arpita madam.
Oh my god, look what this WhatsApp news says. Coronavirus is returning.
Oh no, means there will be lockdown again. It's so painful.
Oh please, stop it Alka. Let us first understand whether it's a real news or a fake news. These days, so many channels and WhatsApp university graduates, you can't be sure of anything.
Chill Ganesh. Lord Ganesh is known for his coolness and you are exactly opposite. I was just afraid because of woes of lockdown.
That is true. It was such a pain to learn online. The laptop used to be the whole day, but rarely could concentrate. I always think we lost our valuable times due to coronavirus.
Yes, Meena. When teachers are in front of us and talking to us, so many things become clear. The online mode of learning never really suited me. Oh look, we were discussing about viruses and now our science teacher Manoj sir is here now.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
What is happening, boys and girls? You look extraordinarily calm today.
Yes sir, today we are in a little pensive mood. Shirish here reminded us about corona pandemic days.
No sir, I only read about a WhatsApp news that says coronavirus is returning.
Please, so many times I have told you not to read mobile phone news. You should only believe in authentic news channels.
Sorry sir.
Okay, now forget about it. There is no sign that corona will return due to several reasons. The peak of pandemic is over and the corona has lost its severity. The doctors and experts say that corona will persist in the environment, but it will not be that deadly.
Sir, what are viruses? There was so much talk about coronavirus, but we are still not aware about the exact virus.
Viruses are extremely small children, much smaller than bacteria. You need an light microscope to observe bacteria, but you need to have an electron microscope to observe viruses. Are you aware of some viruses and diseases other than corona?
Yes sir, jaundice is a viral disease. Polio is another disease caused by virus.
Yes, Alka, you are absolutely right.
Sir, I had suffered from measles when I was a child. I think it is also a viral disease. Chickenpox is another disease which can get you during childhood.
Yes, Ganesh, you too are right. Common cold or influenza is a viral disease. You might have heard about hydrophobia or rabies, which is caused by mad dog bite. The virus responsible for it has both dog and human as its hosts. See, Apika teacher is joining us to our conversation.
Good morning,
students.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Apita madam. Dear students, do you know that Apita teacher has studied microbiology and she can tell us more about viruses?
Madam, please tell us more about viruses.
So you all wanna know about viruses?
Yes.
Viruses are considered to be a link between living and non-living body. We know that living beings show irritability, respond to stimulus. They also reproduce and continue their race on this earth. They eat food and breathe. When viruses are outside of their host body, they are only chemical entities. Means they are nothing because their cells are not having organelles like our cells or bacterial cells. Their cells contain nucleic acid and a protein code. That's all. But viruses are alive when they enter the body of their host. They are very small but they start multiplying by taking over the host machinery. When they are multiplying, the negative effect starts happening in the body, which we call disease.
Oh, it means that when viruses are outside the host body, they are non-living. And when they enter the host body, they are alive.
Yes, dear. The nucleic acid in viruses could be ribonucleic acid, that is RNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA. You must be familiar with the word DNA. Actually, this molecule carries all the genetic information of virus. As I mentioned about protein code, this code protects the nucleic acid.
Very interesting, madam. Are there any different kinds of viruses? I mean, if they are so small, how do they cause so many diseases?
I do know that plants also suffer from viruses. Dmitry Ivanovsky was a Russian scientist who, in 1902, for the first time, showed that mosaic disease in tobacco is formed by the viruses, which was later named as mosaic tobacco virus or TMV.
Yes, sir. I have also found some information about deadly viruses across the world. HIV was a mass killer which has killed about 25 million people since 1981. Ebola is another virus which kills nearly 100 people per year. Rotavirus is a killer and it nearly kills 5 lakh children per year. Yellow fever is a re-emergent disease and it kills nearly 30,000 people per year.
Yes, you all are right. Edward Jenner in 18th century made the first vaccine, which was to cure smallpox. He wasn't aware that this disease is caused by viruses. He extracted some fluid from the fishes of a smallpox patient and made a vaccine. As Manoj sir has said, there are plant viruses also. They cause diseases in various crops like okra, tomato, etc. You know, interestingly, there are viruses that affect bacteria also.
Oh wow! Bacteria are so small, but they are also having diseases. The living world is so wonderful.
Yes, children, science is like fairy tales, but the only difference is fairy tales are fictions and science is for real. We need to understand it.
Madam,
Yes, sir. When sometimes we see Animal Planet or Discovery Channel, we are amazed to see the wonderful living world shown there.
does that mean that all viruses are destructive and only they cause disease?
Very thoughtful question, Ganesh. It may appear from the discussion that viruses are harmful to humanity and living world. But you will be surprised to know that viruses play an important role in global ecosystem. Some 200 kinds of viruses are known to infect, sicken or kill us. You know, the emergence of virus SARS-CoV-2 has most hammered the world, but that's only one part of the picture.
Very interesting, madam. Please tell us something more.
Viruses also keep us alive. They form part of the body's microbiome that safeguard our health. They can be harnessed to treat illnesses, deliver vaccines, and diagnose infections. They are wired as research tools to illuminate biology and diseases and develop new drugs.
Oh wow, so viruses are useful too. Good to know.
Yes, the virus components likely even contributed to the emergence of life on Earth, and viruses continue to drive evolution too. They form a crucial part in the global ecosystem that allows us to survive. Now tell me, can we generalize viruses as being harmful? No. Yes, we can generalize viruses as being harmful. They may have devastating effects, but the viruses that count most in our lives are crucial, not in diseases, but in health and in all aspects of life.
How interesting, madam. We conclude that these viruses are harmful because we have suffered from various diseases like COVID-19, chickenpox or jaundice. But you have made us curious and you have made us to read more about viruses. Thank you so much.
Viruses basically regulate ecology and biochemistry on a global level. From the origins of life to the technologies that preserve it, the learning of viruses can change people's opinions and it may look like the straightforward agents of disease and death. Madam Apita, I had read somewhere that colors of tulips are mainly caused by viruses. Is it true?
Yes, Manoj sir, it is very much true. There are several different viruses that causes tulip breaking. Tulip breaking viruses causes streaking or marking of purple, pink and red tulips, usually on late flowering cultivars. Remember students that white and yellow tulips aren't affected. Tulipa flower genus afflicted by viral infections that alter pigments in the cells of their petals. Broken tulips produce fever bulbs that carries one virus from one generation to the next. So, I think you have got it clearly till now. Let me ask you some questions. Which tulips aren't affected? Yes?
White and yellow tulips.
And what nucleic acid can be present in viruses? Yes?
There are two nucleic acids present in viruses. One is the RNA and the second is the DNA.
Now can anybody tell me the full form of DNA? Yes?
The full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid.
Wow. And what is the full form of RNA?
Ribonucleic acid.
And as Manoj sir has mentioned about TMV virus, what is the full form of that?
Tobacco mosaic virus.
Great.
Madam, thank you so much. Manoj, now when I will hear the word virus, I will not be afraid anymore. I'll ask question, okay, what type of virus it is? What does it do? And what are its implications? Great!
I too plan to get more information on viruses and in future try to follow this world of viruses.
Manoj sir, it's nice to witness such lovely discussion with this student. I think we should have such more sessions. Yes, students?
Yes.
So read more and come back with more questions. Thank you.
Thank you, Manoj.